awesome. On it? You know what I mean? I'm sure how pretty it is outside. Have you ever seen that meme where it's like, don't make unnecessary journeys? That's what this reminds me of, going out in the snow and getting coffee. You know what I'm talking about?
No, you said no.
No, but I'm saying like, I didn't know if you were like, you really said no or if you were just being dramatic because you like rolled your eyes. Where it's like, don't, there are treacherous roads. Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't leave your house if you don't have to. I don't remember what they said. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think I've ever seen it before.
I'll show you it when we get home.
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted in the water here in Blackrock and Salt Hill both today and yesterday.
This is the best Big B coffee I've had so far. Oh.
It's so cute.
Come and pick your car up for free, and you get a tax deduction in the process. Call the number we're about to give you right now. Thank you, and God
Hi, Kitty.
bless America.
I had to reheat my bagel because I was on the phone when I got home and it was pretty time consuming. I also didn't eat it at the coffee shop because I like to put an avocado on it. It is cold outside and it is snowy and I've never liked the cold. I do like the snow though when you're inside and you get to watch it. You're like inside of a snow globe almost, you know? When I was younger, my sisters Yana and Julissa used to go around and they would like, and I think it started with Yana. Yana was like, oh my goodness, I have this great idea. Let's make money by going to shovel other people's driveways. So she brought it up and I was like, no thanks, not me. But her and my other sister would go shovel people's driveways, like knock on the door and they say like, oh, like, you know, we'll shovel your driveway for $5 or something, you know? And after an hour or so, they'd come back and they'd have like $40. And I was like, I should have gone. But then every time they would go, they'd be like, you want to go this time? No. Like, absolutely not. In this weather. So we're moving. We're starting to plan our wedding for a few months out, you know. I've been having a lot more phone calls with people, which is nice because this year I really, really, really wanted a sense of community, and I really did get it. I really got a sense of community. So today I'm going to finish my breakfast, set my coffee. I'm going to edit, and I'm actually going to call my brother. And I'm going to stay inside. And I'm going to pack some more. But staying inside. So that is my plan for today. Those are my plans.